is in the Philippines as a school nurse, taking care of for the students, arranging for the insurance, getting the height and weight, assisting the doctors, and then sometimes sub-teacher. Second is as secretarial in AMK accounting office. And then the next is in Taiwan for 3 years. I'll finish my contract there in Taiwan for 3 years or as nursing aide assistant
Okay.
in nursing home.
Okay.
Mhm.
And after that, do you have any working experience?
Here in Dubai. After that, here in Dubai, I work here for almost 1 year, taking care of old men here, a local. I'm giving my working job description here is monitoring their vital signs every day, making their medication, and then preparing their meals according to the doctor's order, bringing the patient to the hospital, arranging for the appointment for the hospital, giving the uh, giving the exercise to the patient, and relaying all the or reporting to the family what's going on with my patient, and then arranging also some if for the insurance of my patient.
How long
Mhm.
did you work with this family?
For almost 1 year.
Okay. And why you decided not to continue your contract?
Because according to my work experience now, maybe I deserve in trying to find higher than my salary as of
Okay.
now.
How much salary are you looking for?
To five and above.
In terms of babysitting, how do you know if the baby is sick?
The first thing is the baby's continuous crying. And then I need to check everything for the babies. I need to check their temperature. I need to check the diaper, if the diaper is full or not. And then I need to check the stomach if full of air inside, if full of gas. So and then I'm going to check the temperature if it's normal or has a fever.
If the employer is not in the house and the child got sick, what is the first thing that you would do?
First aid. That's the first thing I can do is first aid, and then I'm going to call to the employer. Uh, I'm going to report what's happening with the child, and before I'm doing the next action for that.
What are your hobbies?
Hobbies is surfing, uh, playing volleyball, badminton, and going to church, molding.
How long do you want to work here in UAE for? How many years?
For as long as I have a good job and good offer, I'm going to work here. I'm going to serve others.
Okay. And why do you think you should be a good full-time nanny to your new employer?
Because I am humble to myself. I am a nurse and I know how can I handle time management. I know how am I going to interact and communicate with the others for the satisfaction of my employer.
Okay, thank you.
Because I am honest and hardworking person, flexible. That's it.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.